quick little video, because today I'm working on a Dodge, and I'm doing the crankshaft position sensor. And it's right next to the oil pan, right next to your drain plug, just up above that. So I had to put vice grips on it, and a pry bar. Cleaned up his threads, cleaned out the hole, and then put in the new sensor. And I put a little bit of grease on there, tiny little bit, just to make sure it doesn't tear. And put a little bit of glue on the fence, and make sure and hit like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.